everyone. So I'm going to show you a couple things. One is how to set up your own branded color theme in your Restream Live Studio. The other is how to get it, okay? And you need to do the getting part before you do the implementation part in your Live Studio. So you're watching your screen right now. You want to click on the Graphics tab. Now, you'll see that you have the option to set some theme colors in here. It's going to default you to white. Now, quick note, there are tons of ways, well, a handful of ways really, to set a color on digital. One of those is called hexadecimal or hex color. It is a 6-digit code. Usually it's alphanumeric, so it can be a mix of numbers and or letters. And FF is one of them. It is the hexadecimal code for white, for straight up white. 000000 is the color for black. And you can see if I change this to, then now it changes to black, okay? Now, unless your brand color is one of those colors, you want to figure out, well, what's the hexadecimal value for my brand? And then how do I get that into my Restream Studio so my studio looks branded when I do my videos? It's all going to be according to my color. That's a great question. So one thing you can do is you can download, there's a Chrome extension called Colorzilla. I use this thing religiously. So once you download it, and it's easy to do, you can just click on a new tab, go to apps, then you go to web store, and then just look for Colorzilla, and it shows up right there. And you can easily, and it says it's already on my, but you can, it's free. It's an advanced eyedropper, color picker, etc. Now, I really only use it for color picker. Feel free to delve into the rest of its fabulous tool. So you want your colors to be according to what your logo is, your brand color. Now, I have already, and this is something else you can do, you can upload your logo into Restream Studio so that you can use it, and see, I can hide it or I can show it. I can use it on my broadcasts. I really want to use the color from my logo for that. So easy way to do that is I can click on the Colorzilla eyedropper. What's there? There it is. There. Now I'm zeroed in on my teal color. Now what I can do is I can click, and as soon as I click, notice that it copied the color, and now if I go over here and I paste it in there, I can hit enter. And my color, my brand color is there. And notice that it changed it. So now I can, if I've got my captions and I want to set it, look how lovely that matches up now with my brand color, my logo. And you can do this for anything. If you happen to be doing something that you need to do for a specific brand, you're doing live streams for multiple brands, as long as you have somewhere on the internet that their color is, you can match it up pretty closely. Now, what I always recommend is if you can get the exact hexadecimal color that was originally used in designing the logo, that'll put you spot on. You'll be the closest you can possibly get. But the color picker is a fast way to be able to say, yes, but I just need this color and I want to make it be as exact as I possibly can get with how it looks on the screen. And the color picker is a way to do that. And again, you can just pop it right into the primary color, and now all of your graphics are going to show up that way, and they'll have that accent color that is branded for your specific needs of your broadcast. Hope this was helpful. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Seriously, color picker is an amazing tool, as amazing as Restream. You should absolutely have it in your browser no matter where you go, and sync it up wherever you go, because, man, you're going to find a lot of uses for it if you're doing more stuff like this where looks matter. Enjoy, and let me know how things go, and have a great broadcast experience with Restream. I hope this was helpful. Click there to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget the bell. Also, click over there in case there's any other videos on this topic you'd like to watch. Lastly, if there's a topic you'd like me to cover in a future how-to social video, leave it in the comments. I'd be happy to create something that will save you time, make you more efficient, and be really social.